we're gonna shout at them, we're gonna tell them to put their guns up, and if they don't, then go ahead and let them have it. Oh, lads, show me some hands. Show me some hands, lads. Lads, show me some hands. Put your guns down, show me some hands.
Suspect hiding behind a pickup truck in the pond as we're approaching.
Lad, let me see some hands, mate. Mate, show me some hands. Show me some hands. Come on out of there. Come on out of there with your hands up, mate.
One down, one
Suspect down.
Lad, don't pull any guns. Don't try any funny
Another one
business.
through,
Don't do
hands
any
up,
funny
in the middle
business.
of the trucks.
Come out of there with your hands up, mate. No funny business. Come out of there. No, no, come on out of there. Don't move. Don't move. At this time, you're being detained. You're not under arrest, but you're being under investigation right now for this shooting.
What shooting? I didn't shoot nothing.
So do you agree to a GSR test to make sure to prove that you didn't shoot?
Sure.
So we do. You're agreeing to one, right?
Yep.
If you fail, then that means you are part of this situation. If not, then you are immediately Alpha David, which is you could be still guilty by association with guilty to accessory to the fact. So
what about all the people that were just shooting at us? Like, you gonna arrest all those too?
I can't do anything to people that are dead. You shot them all, killed them.
Well, I mean, what would you do if a criminal was shooting at you?
Water, so you don't get so much water in your lung.
We'll be making sure this was either self-defense case or whether or not you guys.
Well, then I'll hold off on the GSR test so we can talk.
Yeah.
These fellas keep coming around causing trouble.
Would you see if we can bring you to the vehicle?
Well, can we just stay? Like, okay, we could go. I guess you're good.
Yeah, you good. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a lot of down locals. Holy crap.
Yeah, they got a shootout over here. Where they're at now, I'm trying to figure out whether it was self-defense, whether this was indicated they started it or not. There's gonna be one down, one in custody. You guys get another one? Or
There's
two down?
Yeah, there's two down.
Yeah, there's two down here, including the long-haired.
Where's your car? Is it over here?
That was shooting at you.
Yeah, lady, it's right over here. We're just gonna, like, you're not even under arrest right now. We're gonna bring you back to the station. We're gonna detain you for an investigation. Right
What are you guys?
Sure.
What are you gonna do with my car, though?
Your car is right now going to be impounded. Right now, it's just gonna, and it's not going to be impounded for any time. It's just going to be impounded for just to be put in the impound, so you can pull it out as soon as you get out of the station. Because the impound is right next to the station.
I'm asking 905 who he's riding with.
Oh, he hopped in the car with me because, like I said, everybody was riding around, so he hopped in the car with me because I was going straight to this car.
I'm 10-4. That's fine. I just didn't know who he was riding with.
Sorry, I could have walked over there. My bad.
Hopefully, you can bank heist.
Can you hear me back there? I'm whispering. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah, spoiler right now, just don't say anything until we get back to the station. You know what I'm saying? As in, like,
understood.
Yeah. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to attorney if one is available. You have the right to say or not say anything that could be or could be in against or for your case. At this time, you have the right to not answer any of my questions that I'll ask of you. I'm going to ask you these questions now. Questions being as, why was you here at this time? Why was you here at this place of area? And why was they shooting at you? And why was you shooting back?
Well, we were driving together, as you can see, since we have 3 vehicles, and they just started shooting at us. And we got in a, since there's no cover, we got in our trucks right there, put them in a triangle so that way we had some type of cover because they just kept coming at us for God who knows why.
Right, Temple. Right, lad. Your one lad is probably going to be charged with assault on a law enforcement officer with a deadly weapon because he did shoot at a law enforcement officer. 905, come up here to the vehicle. Whether that's on his discretion though, whether or not he wants to charge him on that. I'll go ahead and ask. I'm not gonna charge. Like I said, you didn't shoot. You were just at the wrong place at the wrong time. I can get you guilty to the accessory after the fact for being on scene, but it's officer discretion. I'm not gonna deal with all that shit.
Fair.
Right now. 10-4, 61 and 905's en route. We're gonna be code 4 on this shooting. These guys were just being a self-defense. These guys got shot at. They're trying to self-defend themselves. They were getting shot at by the locals.
You like Vibes Cartel?
Hey, bro, I'll be taking St. Communion.
Yo, that's the man right there. Vibes Cartel is the original gangster.
Alright, there's going to be a report made about this, so if you lads are at the next place and it's going to be another shooting, like a big shooting like this, and you guys are at the next one, you guys are going to get taken in for discretion of the peace, and then it's also going to be a public shooting charge, and anything else per X bodies is going to be fired onto that charge, so just remember that. So try to stay out of this case if this happens again, you know what I'm saying?
So I can't defend myself if it happens again?
No, you can defend yourself, but I'm just saying if so many of these priorities charges multiply up on you or your lads, that it's going to be looked in as a case of racketeering on so many criminal charges.
Okay, got it. Understood.
Never do what heathens do. I never say what a wicked heart say, cause...
Alright, 905, are you
Rasta provided all the
shot at you?
Absolutely, but I don't see any of them around, so I don't know how to press charges.
He's hip hop.
Yeah, they had to take a quick nap.
Lots of headaches over here. Much headache.
We gotta get to that fucking heist, the bank heist that's going on right now.
Listen, we gotta send these guys to prison for life. We're busy right now.
Hey, yeah, we'll send your ass to fucking prison for life, you fucking
I'll send you
blueberry.
6 feet under, Mr. Man.
That's rude.
Well, you're the one trying to send them to fucking life.
Greenier.
I'll make you go swimming in Mirror Park Pond. You want to go swimming in Mirror Park Pond?
We gotta get to that. We gotta get that bank heist.
Yo,
Yes, I. Me deal with this, brother. Go on. Get over there. I'ma follow traffic soon.